Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Art of White, a Parisian apartment in Chantilly lace and French canvas. Step into the timeless elegance of a Parisian apartment, where light is the most cherished accessory and history whispers from the moldings. The secret to achieving this effortlessly chic and luminous aesthetic lies not in bold colors, but in a masterful two-tone white palette. This design scheme utilizes Benjamin Moore's Chantilly lace, a pure and crisp white, for all ceilings and trim work. Its sharp, defining contrast frames each room with unparalleled architectural clarity. This brilliant white is beautifully paired with French canvas, a soft, warm off-white, for the walls. Together, they create a serene and sophisticated canvas that is both modern and classically inviting. The Parisian charm begins before you even step inside, with the building's classic limestone facade. Wrought iron balconies, painted in the crisp Chantilly lace, stand out sharply against the warm stone. This interplay of clean white on a neutral background is echoed in the window frames, promising a cohesive design within. Lush green ivy and boxwood shrubs and simple planters provide the only necessary color against this elegant, architectural backdrop. The entryway makes a powerful first impression, setting the tone for the entire home. Walls in the soft, welcoming French canvas immediately wrap you in a sense of calm warmth. Ornate moldings and the ceiling, painted in pure Chantilly lace, create a bright, elevated frame that enhances the sense of space. A simple console table and a gilded mirror reflect the light, proving that this palette is anything but plain. Bathed in natural light, the living room is the heart of this Parisian retreat. The French canvas walls provide a soft, neutral backdrop that makes the room feel both expansive and incredibly cozy. Crisp Chantilly lace trim highlights the room's architectural details, from the crown molding to the fireplace surround. Plush textiles in ivory and taupe, along with rich wooden accents, add layers of texture and depth to the serene monochromatic scheme. This bedroom is a sanctuary designed for rest and rejuvenation. The warm, enveloping tone of French canvas on the walls creates a cocoon-like atmosphere of pure tranquility. The Chantilly lace on the ceiling, coffered details, and baseboards add structure and a touch of refined elegance. Draped linen curtains and a layered bed in varying white textures complete the look, ensuring the space feels both luxurious and peacefully soft. Conceived for intimate dinners and lively conversation, the dining room exudes sophisticated warmth. The French canvas walls offer a glowing, flattering light that enhances every gathering. The crisp white of the chair rail and detailed wainscoting, painted in Chantilly lace, provides a classic, grounded structure to the space. A dark wooden table and a shimmering crystal chandelier become striking focal points against this subtly layered white background. The kitchen feels both impeccably clean and wonderfully inviting. Shaker-style cabinetry painted in the pure white of Chantilly lace appears fresh and timeless. These are set against walls washed in the soft, warm hue of French canvas, preventing the space from feeling sterile. Open shelving displays white ceramics and natural wood cutting boards, adding functional decor that complements the harmonious two-tone theme. Transformed into a spa-like retreat, the bathroom is the ultimate expression of this color story. The walls, clad in French canvas, reflect a soft, flattering light, making the space feel warm and serene. Pristine Chantilly lace trims the bathtub alcove, window, and paneling, ensuring a clean and bright definition. Brushed brass fixtures and plush white towels provide the final touches of understated luxury against this perfectly paired white canvas.